Hey, if you want to post something or Threads application, all you have to do is just to click on this icon. And then from here, as you can see, we can start a thread. And now you can, for example, input some pictures from the gallery, add the GIF, add the voice recorder node, input some hashtags, or start the poll. Let's say that I want to add the voice message, so I have to click right here. Hello guys. Now I can click done and it will be posted. But as you can see, the other options just disappear. And also we can find the description, the audio description. So if you want to still attach something to this post, like for example, add the GIF, you have to click to add the thread and then tap on this GIF. Now select the GIF that you want and now you can click to post. But before you do this, just be sure that you also select who can reply to this thread. So you can pick the profiles you follow, anyone, or mentioned one. So let's say in my case it will be anyone. So click to post and now just wait for this posting process and it will take around a few seconds. You can also check it how it looks. As you can see, there it is. That's how it looks in my case. When you open your profile for sure and go to the threads, you can find everything that you post and that's how it looks. So when you click on it, that's how it looks. And if you wonder about this GIF, it was attached into the first comment. So for some reason it doesn't appear right here, but previously I did it and it appears right here that someone replied, and when you open it, it appears like this. So that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.